Hello guys, this is okra in water as my drinking water starting this morning. This will promote healthy skin and has an vitamin A, C, B, iron, magnesium and potassium with an anti-inflammatory effect and remove excess salt from the body, maintain water balance. Good for your blood pressure and maintain your cardiovascular system. So DIY, do it for yourself to maintain your good health. God bless you all. Thank you so much to all my subscribers, my viewers, and my new subscribers in my YouTube channel. Okra in water as a drinking water every day. Bye bye. I love you all.